Welcome everyone to this special look into the history of candle making. Candlelight has been a part of human experience for millennia, and today, we'll explore its fascinating journey. Early flickers, 3000 to 5000 BC. Imagine a time before electricity. Our ancestors craved illumination during the long night hours. Evidence suggests some of the earliest forms of candles were created in ancient Egypt around 3000 to 5000 BC. These weren't quite like the candles we know today. They were simple rushlights, made by soaking the pith of a reed plant in melted animal fat. While basic, they provided a flickering light source and marked the beginning of our love affair with candlelight. The rise of civilized light, Greeks and Romans. Fast forward a few thousand years, and we find the ancient Greeks and Romans using more sophisticated candles. They employed rolled papyrus dipped in beeswax or tallow, rendered animal fat. These candles offered a brighter and more consistent light, making them ideal for everyday use and religious ceremonies. Beeswax takes center stage. Middle Ages. During the Middle Ages, roughly 5th to 15th centuries AD, beeswax became the preferred candle wax in Europe. Beeswax candles burned cleaner and produced a pleasant honey-like aroma, making them a luxury item used primarily in churches and wealthy households. Tallow candles, while less expensive, remained popular for everyday use due to their affordability. The guild crafters, 13th, 14th centuries. By the 13th century, candle making had become a specialized trade in Europe. Skilled artisans known as chandlers formed guilds to regulate the craft and ensure quality. Imagine traveling chandlers going from house to house, rendering fat and crafting custom candles for their clients. A new dawn, 18th and 19th centuries. The 18th century saw the introduction of spermaceti, a wax derived from whale oil. Spermaceti candles burned brighter and cleaner than tallow, making them a popular choice. However, ethical concerns surrounding whaling eventually led to a decline in its use. The 19th century ushered in the Industrial Revolution, which significantly impacted candle making. Paraffin wax, a petroleum byproduct, became widely available and revolutionized candle production, making candles more affordable and accessible to everyone. The modern glow, 20th and 21st centuries. The invention of electric lighting in the late 19th century undoubtedly challenged the role of candles as a primary light source. However, candles never went truly dark. Today, candles are primarily used for ambience, fragrance, and creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. The rise of the natural wax movement has seen a renewed interest in soy wax, beeswax, and other plant-based options. The future of candlelight. Candles have come a long way from their humble beginnings. As we move forward, the focus may shift towards sustainable and eco-friendly candlemaking practices. Who knows, perhaps new innovations will lead to even more captivating and beautiful ways to experience the magic of candlelight. That concludes our brief foray into candle history. Do any of you have questions about the evolution of candles? Perhaps you'd like to share any interesting candle-related facts you've encountered? Feel free to leave your comments in the forum section.